Still writing sales proposals manually? Let me show you how AI can generate personalized proposals and summaries automatically, end to end. Hey everyone, this is Rahul Joshi, and in this video I'll show you how to build an automated sales proposal and summary generator using GPT-4o, Google Sheets, Google Drive, and Gmail. Step 1. When clicking Execute Workflow, manual trigger this node manually starts the workflow. It's mainly used for testing or running the automation on demand. Once clicked, the full sales collateral pipeline begins. Step 2. Retrieve lead records from Google Sheets. This node fetches all lead records from Google Sheets. It pulls details like company name, email, booking status, and client message. This acts as the data source for the entire workflow. Step 3. Validate lead data payload. This node checks whether the lead data is valid. It mainly verifies if the email address exists and is correctly formatted. Valid leads move forward. Invalid ones are handled separately. Step 4. Log invalid leads to Google Sheets. This node stores invalid or incomplete leads in a separate sheet. It prevents bad data from breaking the workflow. This helps keep the main lead database clean. Step 5. Filter for booked leads. This node filters only leads marked as booked. Sales collateral is generated only for confirmed clients. Unbooked leads are automatically skipped. Step 6. Configure GPT-4o model Azure OpenAI chat model. This node connects GPT-4o for AI content generation. It acts as the language model backend for sales collateral creation. Ensures consistent, high-quality AI output. Step 7. Generate sales collateral AI LangChain agent. This node generates personalized sales content for each booked lead. It creates a sales summary, one-pager, and proposal draft. All content is returned in structured JSON format. Step 8. Parse AI JSON output code. Node AI responses sometimes contain formatting noise. This node cleans the output and safely parses valid JSON. It ensures clean, structured data for the next steps. Step 9. Convert collateral into text reports code. This node converts AI-generated content into readable .txt files. Each file includes the summary, one-pager, and proposal. The files are prepared for upload and sharing. Step 10. Aggregate uploaded file metadata code. This node collects metadata of all generated files. It builds a structured list with file names and links. The data is used to create a final summary email. Link. Step 11. Map uploaded files with lead data code. This node matches uploaded proposal files with their respective leads. It links each file to the correct email and company. This keeps proposals traceable per lead. Step 12. Update lead record with proposal link. Google Sheets. This node updates each lead's row with a proposal file link. Sales teams can directly access proposals from the sheet. It keeps the CRM fully up to date. Step 13. Generate sales summary email LangChain agent. This node generates an HTML formatted sales summary email. It includes total leads processed and proposal file links. The output is clean HTML, ready for email delivery. Step 14. Send sales summary email via Gmail. This node sends the final sales summary email. It delivers the report directly to the sales or marketing inbox. The workflow completes with zero manual follow-up. If this automation helps you close deals faster, hit like, subscribe for more AI-powered workflows, and I'll see you in the next one.